students. Today I am going to discuss the rest part of the worksheet 3, that is based on word problems. E part is Sheila wants to fix ribbon along the border of painting. If the length and breadth of the painting are 36 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively, how much ribbon is required by Sheila? So student, to find out how much ribbon is required by Sheila, we need to find the perimeter of this painting, and because the length and breadth of this painting are given, so we have to find out the perimeter for the rectangle. So write the length is equals to 36 centimeter, breadth is equals to 15 centimeter. Now ribbon required is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Here we will find out the perimeter. So 2 multiplied by 36 plus 2 multiplied by 15. This is equals to 72 plus 30, and when you will add you will get 102 centimeter. Thus required ribbon for the border of a painting is 102 centimeter. Now F part is Raju has to frame a square photo having one side of length 12 centimeter. How much material will Raju require for this job? So now Raju has a square photo and he has to frame it, right? So to find out how much material is required to frame this square photo, he also have to find out the perimeter. So because this is a square photo, so we will we will use the trick of for the square photo. So here the length is 12 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 4 into side, or you can write length here. So 4 into 12 centimeter, write centimeter here. This is equals to 48 centimeter. Thus material required to frame the painting is 48 centimeter. At the last, students, you have to write this statement also if you are not writing the statements here. G part is a boy runs 2 times around a field, the length of which is 62 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Find the distance covered by him. Now here, student, what is important is that the boy is running twice that field. That means when we find the perimeter, we have to multiply it by 2. That would be our answer. So let us check it out how to do this. The length of the field is equals to 62 meter. Breadth of the field is 40 meter. Perimeter, because this is a rectangle, so we will use the trick of rectangle. 2 multiplied by 62 plus 2 multiplied by 40 meter. 124 this will be equal to, when you will multiply this 62 by 2 and plus 2 multiplied by 40 is 80 meter and 124 meter. When you will add, you will get 204 meter. Thus the total distance covered is equals to, because he is running twice that rectangular field, so this will be equal to 408, because we will multiply it by 2 and it will be equal to 408 centimeter. Now the H part. Tina ran around a rectangular garden of length 12 meter and breadth 8 meters. Meena ran around a square field of side 11 meters. Who covered more distance by how much? So students, whenever the comparison is in the question, you have to subtract, right? So we will find first that how much distance Tina covered, and then we will find how much distance Meena has covered. So then we will compare both the perimeters. So there are two cases. Case 1 is length is 12 meter and breadth is 8 meter of that field, and perimeter for this is 2 multiplied by 12 plus 8 multiplied by 2 meters. So this is equals to 24 meter plus 16 meter. This is equals to 40 meter. Thus Tina covered distance is equals to 40 meter. Case 2 is side is 11 meter and perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by 11 meter. This is equals to 44 meter. Thus Meena covers 44 meter distance. So therefore the distance covered by Meena is 44 meter and the distance covered by Tina is 40 meter. 44 is greater than 40, so that means Meena covered more distance. And by how much? To find that, we will subtract 44 from 40, and that is 4 meter, right? 4 meter. How we find this? We will subtract 40 from 44, and this will comes out to be 4 meter. So students, complete this worksheet 3. Thank you.